Welcome back to Modern Homestead Alaska. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Aaron.
And in today's episode,
our son sends a sled into open water.
And then we catch and cook a bunch of pike right on the ice.
And now we're in full recovery mode, getting everybody home safe and all the machines.
All that and more right now on Modern Homestead Alaska.
Come join us. Jessica, you are the most uncoordinated one. Get out of the water.
Oh! Welcome back. It is so glorious out. This is the kind of day you dream of. Ice fishing. It is so warm. The problem is the overflow. You can't see behind me. However, Caleb and Destiny are in the overflow, stuck over there. Aaron took the Argo to get them. Then he called our friend Caleb, who's now over there somewhere with shovels. So we'll see if people show up here. So I'm setting up camp by myself. I got a nice fire going. I'm ready to make something to eat, get us some warm drinks. However, the cooler is in the Argo. So just a minute. Wait a second. Hi, Caleb. Hi, Dest. Oh no. You're like in the water. Yeah. See now. I see.
So all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep tension on this. Right? I'm going to back up and put pressure on that. Yep. Keep this loose. Then we'll just keep yanking up like this. Okay?
Stop.
Right, stop.
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 We got to get the front and get this other winch.
You want to hold on to it, let your winch out, then I could grab from the front bar right up here.
And it's going to pull it around, the winches.
You ready?
Yeah, slowly. Come on.
Jessica, you are the most uncoordinated one. Get out of the water.
I am out of the water.
I don't want you in the water.
I just need to be able to help him move this winch. There. Back.
Let off a little bit, and I pull it back in a little bit.
Oh!
It's deep in there. It's like straight.
I'm fine. I didn't get that wet this time. Caleb, switch the winch to the back end now and let him pull
let me
it
pull,
that
like
direction.
I said, if I can re-winch back where he's at and get it to turn a little bit more.
Yeah, we bent the front bar.
Huh?
Yeah, let the winch out.
I'm always falling in.
Keep going.
Keep going. The ski is up, so keep going.
Will it stay? I gotta back up a little bit.
Up.
Let it fall down to where it's gonna sit.
get revenge and floor it?
Bloopers!
Whose is it?
Dad.
Single start?
Oh, we gotta get out of this hole. Are you okay? You just stand back.
A break right there.
I didn't either. I was like, look, Caleb's standing here. I'm like, I'll just do with the shovel.
Look at the headlights. Shoes full of water.
For a couple hours, just sit here.
Sit here?
Are we ready? It was just spinning, you said?
Yeah, pull it up.
I think there's something on it.
Might be small.
This is gonna be the theme song.
You're on the ice.
You're on the ice, babe.
Let it go.
Dun, 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 dun. It's not spinning.
You hit it.
Are you kidding me?
Is the whole fish?
Yes!
Yeah.
This is the third time. I am so done with this hole. Go, Destiny! You gotta win. No, it didn't.
Throw a line on the ground. There we go.
Oh,
Nice
that's
one,
a nice one for this Sled.
Good job.
Heck yeah! Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There's another one.
Oh. Oh, it's a fight. French toast and eggs.
Oh yeah. That feels good.
Got him.
Oh, nice.
Destiny's is better.
Destiny is winning this war.
Any bites?
Yeah. Oh, he went over there. Go, Des. Put this gun.
Pick it up, Kev. Double check it.
Fishing. Yeah, sometimes they're still on there. Nope, no bait.
No bait.
The fourth one from me.
Aaron, watch this. Woo.
Whoa!
Let's see with this line, huh?
Nice. Caleb with another fish.
We are gonna do catch and cook. So we're gonna do some fish tacos. Caleb is dispatching the pike behind me. And then I'm gonna start with a little salsa. And then as soon as he's done with the fish, we're gonna fry it up, have ourselves some tacos. I got tomatoes. Did you get one?
Yeah.
Some spicy foods. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, dude, you can sell them for like $400.
How long does it take to make a dinner?
Alright, they're still out there catching fish. I just got some jalapenos, some cilantro, and a bunch of lime juice. And then this is a store-bought pack of coleslaw. So that's easy. We want to give that a few minutes to just sit and hang out. That'll be really good on the fish. We've got the fish rinsed. We rinsed it about 4 times. I have some flour mixture here. It's got like cornstarch and baking powder and baking soda and some spices. We're gonna add some carbonated water to it and make a batter. So just some plain flour. Throw.
Blooper.
Go. Throw this on there. Let me see your taco.
That's too many.
It's good.
Look at that. Fish tacos on the lake, straight from the water.
In Alaska. In the interior of Alaska.
Mmm.
Sushi.
All right. We originally planned on camping, but we've got to get Caleb out of that spot and tow that sled all the way back to the truck. Let's go. Just to give a little perspective of what happened, there is, and turn slowly, there is a trail around the lake here. And Caleb was just on the trail and he just shot over the trail, like right here on this hill, and this is what he could see, and there's no open water on this side. So when you're ripping along on the snow machine, that's how it just broke open. It just dived straight into that. There's some warm springs around here. They keep that water open and running. So it wasn't his fault. These things can happen at any point in time, and that's why we carry so much backup emergency gear, ability to have a fire. We never go any place without someone knowing where we're going. And the person who knows where we're going has to be able to have an ability to come out and get us or help us. We were fishing literally right there so we could help Caleb immediately. But here you go. Even right here, you can't see it, but there's a sled trail. And when they rode it, it broke open the water there as well. So, anywho, not his fault, but it happens.
That's your mom first.
Give me my coffee. Ooh, important stuff.
I got
Some hot coffee on the road. Jody, what are we doing? What's the goal?
Trying to take the belt off so we can tow it because the engine's locked up. You don't want to tow it with the belt on, otherwise you'll have some real big damage going on in there.
Nice. So we're minimizing the damage.
Bingo!
There.
The belt came off, folks.
The belt that turns what? The bottom belt?
Well, you got the primary right here off the motor, and then once that engages, it spins.
Nice.
Back's back on, man.
But now, since the belt isn't attached, the track will free spoolie.
Free spin.
I'm not exactly a professional, but I get the logistics.
Aaron's gonna hide our sled because we can't pull it, but it has thousands of dollars in ice fishing gear in it. So Jesse and I are just hanging out while they go hike stuff.
You didn't help at all.
So the plan is we're gonna use the Argo winch and pull the snow machine onto a trailer here. Operation Get Home Safe was an absolute success. Caleb, our friend, is home safe. Our Caleb is home safe. And Aaron and I are too. That's all that matters. We're good. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you had a fantastic visit here at Modern Homestead Alaska. We hope that you choose to join us in the future. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button. Ring the bell, you'll get notifications. And with that, be blessed.
Have a great day.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Blooper!